In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a weather widget in HTML. So this could be on Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, any website builder out there. But for this video, I'll just use Wix. Now, first of all, you want to go to a website called lsite.com and then click on widgets right there. Now, once you're here, you want to hit the search bar, and then all you need to do is search for weather. You can then click right there on the weather widget. Next up, click on create widget, and then choose a template. So you can choose any of these templates out here. So they have a couple of them available, about 8, which is cool. So choose the one you want to use on your website. I'll just go with this one. And then next up, click on continue with this template. And you can then add a location. So right now, this is for Hong Kong, but you can change this to any place with a zip code, city, or coordinates, okay? You can change the language, you can change the temperature unit. So that's totally up to you guys. Now once you're done with that, you want to click on join to install and then sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in, which will then send you to this page, and it will send you right back to the page so that you can save it. So this is step number 1. Click on save, and then step number 2 is adding this to your website. So you want to make sure to choose a plan, and then you can actually get access to a lot of different widgets as well. But that's totally up to you guys. Now next up, let's see, you want to click on add to website and copy this code. There you go. Then go to your website builder and then add a HTML iframe, or just a HTML or just code. On WordPress, it will just be code. So enter that code and then paste it in there, click apply, and you'll see that it's then going to show up. So right there, we can now see the weather in Hong Kong. So that's exactly how you can add a weather widget on your website. You then want to place this wherever you want this to be on your website, but that's it. Have a good day. Leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time.